Hi all, today we will talk about functions in Python. A function is a block of code which only runs when it is called. You can write a function using the def keyword. Let's look for the functions. I wrote it here. First one, this function is print a basic message. It's print from a function. There is no parameters passing to this function. We run the code and we need to call it to run the message or to print the message. Another function that we pass a parameter for the function and it will print the message hello, and with the parameter or the value we send it to the function. Let's print hello Mr. Malik. The third function takes two numbers as input and return the summation of the two numbers on the function and then call the function. The result stored in the variable result, and we print the result and it gives us 40. This is the three types of function you can use. You can add another functions as you want. Thank you.